Would you like to be my Valentine? Wait a second. Are you eating junk food? And are you eating Valentine's Day junk food? You know, that's typically red. And if it's red, that means it has red dye 40 in it. And this is some bad stuff. This fake food can lead to hyperactivity, migraines, rashes, hives, and more. Get off the red foods. There's nothing red that's good for you unless it's a natural fruit or vegetable. In fact, I'd like to encourage you to get off all of the poor 4 foods altogether, and then you can be my Valentine.